Hey, I'm Eric Blake. I'm a boat builder here in the Brooklyn Boat Yard. Years ago, friends and I started offcenterharbor.com to bring you inside the world of classic boats, get you out on some of the best wooden boats in the field, and introduce you to the people that created them. If you like this video, you can find hundreds more in the link below in the description.
It's easy to go broke buying lots of tools that you don't really need to build a boat. To build a boat, you only need a few hand tools, but often it takes years of experience and a few $1,000s to learn which tools not to buy. So we asked Harry, Bryan, what's in a basic toolkit that you really need to build a boat?
In spite of the fact that there are huge numbers of tools available on the market, the basic kit is right before us here. Most any traditional boat can be built with what you see right here, with the addition of a cordless drill and bits to go with it. Your smooth plane, block plane, 12-point or 10-point hand saw, cross-cut saw, 1-inch chisel, half-inch chisel, pencil divider for scribing, a small hammer, anything from a 12 to a 16-ounce hammer will be fine, a bevel square, spoke shave, combination square with a intact level, very important. It'll be used a lot in the boat building. And last but not least, a good quality pencil. And I cannot recommend any other pencil higher than Papermate Murado Classic HB number 2. It has a tough lead, but a dark marking lead and a very good eraser on it. It's been a standby in this shop for 5 or 10 years.
So that's it, except for clamps, of course, which is another thing altogether, one which warrants a separate video almost. We hope we've saved you time and money buying the basic toolkit. Stay tuned for our coming videos where Harry shows us the uses of each of these hand tools.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, there's hundreds more. Just follow the link below.